Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition, Sunday, June the 1st and the 2nd, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, the 4 stars, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last one is a tectonic. 4 of them, not all, 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will do is the 4 star Sudoku. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading to YouTube. The first one is the 4 star Sudoku number 8638. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 24. Surprise, yes. 4 star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s. We have here 4 4s. All right. We have here 4 5s. All right. We have here 2 3 3 6s. 1 7. 2 8s and 1 9. So the 4s and the 5s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 4. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for 5 should be here, here, or there. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for 5 should be there. 5 5. Okay. 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for 2 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. 7. 3. And I need a 6 here. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this one, in this row. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Alright. Need a 6 here. How about need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. 1 3 2 1. Well. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 3, 4. Okay. Well. Need an 8 here. And I need... Come on. 3. I need a 3 here. I need a 3 there. Thinking. Need a 5 here. Come on. Need a 4 here. Well, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers in the first row is number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 marks. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. And we have a pair now. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 189. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yes. And I need a 2 in this row. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this row should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 1, 6, and 9. Alright, and now. Need a 1 here. And I need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. Well, we have a pair, the 1 and the 5 in this column, the 1 and the 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this box, so no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Need a 9, need a 7, need a 6. 6. Need a 9. I need a 7. Okay. Alright. 7, 3. We have a 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4. I should be there. 7 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need an 8. Need a 9, and I need a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes at there. 8, 8. 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. The only place level the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5. No. We have a 3 there. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. On the last column. And the only place level 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and then 9. 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Yeah, 1 box left in this column for number. I believe the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. Alright. So we need an 8 here. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. No. We have a 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. And 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 2 here. We have a 2 there. That means in the first column, the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Yeah. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. Here. Wait. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. So the 1, 8, and the 9 are left. Same numbers. 1, 8, 9. One of the missing number in this column. First column is number 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. So the only place level 8 in the first column should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. I need an 8 here. And I need a 4 here. We have a pair, the 4 and 8 in this row. Last row, the 4 and 8 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 7, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Well. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in this last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between only place level 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, I'm surprised. Again, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. A 1 star. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.